Introduction. Blueberries are super healthy diet known. Organic blueberries are rich in fiber, rich in nutrients and low in calories and sugar. They are among a select group of super healthy diet. Are you up? Blueberries tested against the antioxidant capacity rank, followed by 40 other fruits and vegetables by the USDA. Blueberries contain potent phytochemicals such as anthocyanins, antioxidant bioflavonoids, which gives the fruit its deep color. Naturally occurring plant pigments, flavonoids are one of the reasons fruit and vegetables are good for you. Blueberries also have fiber to aid digestion. Most physicians recognize that there is no established cause digestive problems. Is immune compromise can cause digestive problems and other problems? Blueberries are known to help the immune system. Factors such as nutrition, food allergies, sensitivities, stress, medications, hormonal changes, infections, parasites, dehydration, probiotics, enzymes, heartburn, lactose intolerance, laxatives, and antibiotics and genetics of abuse play a role. For digestive problems. New research suggests that the fibers in a blueberry is good for your gut. You can help reduce and defend against ulcerative colitis, including colitis. Eating blueberries can reduce and protect against intestinal inflammation. The reason for this is very useful because blueberries must be because the fibers in the blueberry is not really broken in the large intestine. The result is that produced substances that cause inflammation in the fibers of the blueberries are caught and prevent them in contact with the mucus layer of the intestine. These substances are then carried the body with feces. The sound has been degraded in the colon at the same place as colon cancer and ulcerative colitis frequently. The sound is a good supply of butyric acid and propionic. If the fiber is broken, and propionic acid are two products that are produced. These acids are an important source of energy known essential for intestinal cells.